Building a thriving community, unlocking the power of audience engagement for profitable YouTube channels. Introduction. In this video, we'll explore the significance of effective communication with your audience and the strategies to build a community around your channel. By fostering engagement and motivating viewers to subscribe, like, and follow your channel, you can create a solid foundation for financial success and personal growth. Content. Outline 1. Understanding audience connection. Discuss the importance of establishing a genuine connection with your audience. Highlight the role of relatable content and how it contributes to audience retention. 2. Building a community-centric channel. Emphasize the need to create content that resonates with the interests and needs of your viewers. Share tips on crafting a unique and recognizable channel identity. 3. Interactive elements for engagement. Introduce various interactive features such as polls, Q&A sessions, and comments to encourage audience participation. Demonstrate how these elements contribute to a sense of community on the channel. 4. Monetization strategies. Explore different ways to monetize your YouTube channel, including ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Discuss the importance of a loyal and engaged audience in attracting potential sponsors. 5. Motivating subscriptions and likes. Provide insights on creating compelling calls to action to encourage subscriptions and likes. Showcase successful channels that have effectively used these strategies. 6. Promoting further learning. Encourage viewers to subscribe for more valuable content and highlight the benefits of staying connected. Tease upcoming content to generate anticipation and maintain viewer interest. 7. Realizing financial growth. Illustrate how a dedicated and engaged audience contributes to increased revenue opportunities. Share success stories of content creators who have transformed their passion into a lucrative career. Conclusion. In conclusion, effective communication and community building are essential elements for any YouTube channel looking to make money and achieve financial growth. By prioritizing audience engagement, creating valuable content, and implementing strategic calls to action, you can foster a thriving community that supports both your channel's success and your financial goals.